Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this kid's tablet, Apolosign 10-inch Android 13. Has some pretty nice features here. Front 2 megapixel and rear 5 megapixel camera, 2 gigabytes RAM, 32 gigabyte quad-core CPU. Pretty sweet. All right, so here we go. This is for kids, so check that out. So it's got this nice little base, which is also a handle. This feels like, this is like super protected though. I mean, you can see around it, even if it falls on the screen, it's got this all the way around. So this looks super durable. This material, it's like a thick, it's hard to describe. It's like a super thick like foam that feels like really like a rubberized foam almost. That's pretty cool. Definitely like for smaller kids, I like to carry it around and bang it into things. I mean, this has a lot of it is a lot of protection here. So this is going to be good for children. It's got the user's manual. All this stuff is like nice and colorful, oriented toward the kids, obviously. And then we have the grown-ups instruction manual. Most of these kids just figure these things out right away by themselves anyway, so not really concerned about that. They're usually just, you give them a device and they go right at it, and it's us that need to learn. So it's got a headphone jack here at the top. It's got volume up and down, power, micro SD slots here on the side, USB port. So this cover does come off as well. So if it does get kind of messy, the kids spill on it or whatever, you take it off. Looks like this is like completely waterproof, and you can just pop this tablet out of there if you want to. Let's see what else is in here. So we have a nice little charging thing, and I think that's it for it. Good packaging though. Like the little space theme here, like sun and the stars and planets on there and stuff. Let's plug it in, let's fire this thing up, see how it works. So, wait 1 to 3 minutes, initials during startup instruction, language to appear. All right, let's do this here. All right, as we can see, I got Angry Birds on here. All right, so we got the little guy going on there. We can play. As far as being able to play stuff, good sound on here, plenty loud. Dude just destroyed them, so good. Let's check out like a video or something on here. Alright guys, so here's this one. Turn down my volume so I don't get a copyright, but plays videos just fine. Really cool. The games load up there. This thing's pretty amazing. Here's the camera on there too, so I can take a photo here, turn this around, just like that. Boom, there I am. Decent camera on there. I can take videos if I want to. Switch over to video. Do a quick recording here. Dun dun dun, there we go. Okay, and I can play my video. There we go. So does everything pretty much like an iPad, just a little bit slower, but for watching videos, connected to my internet, just fine, everything. Pretty sweet little device here, actually, my friends, and it's got the Android 13 on there, so just a regular type. You can block swipe off. Just got the whole thing here, all the apps, everything right on there, just like a regular Android. Really cool. Pretty user-friendly. Download the app just fine. Runs nice, like it's super durable. This case, like I said, it's like this is going to be really sturdy if you're just giving this to your little ones to play with, to watch videos or whatever. Do some gaming, do some Khan Academy. Pretty sweet, my friends, I gotta say. This is actually pretty cool. And then also, if your teenager didn't think that this was cool enough or not cool to have this device on there, then you can just take it out and it's like an iPad. So pretty sick. Really actually impressed with this. Like I said, it's just a little bit slower than like an iPad, but does everything just fine. So yeah, actually pretty impressed with this. So thanks very much for watching this review, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you all next time.